In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in Wrike. If you're a Wrike user looking to streamline your workspace by getting rid of unnecessary columns, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and simplify your project step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Wrike website and you'll see the login option. Select that and you'll be prompted to choose a method for logging in. For most of us, this means using our Google account. So go ahead and click on the Google option. From there, you'll see a list of accounts that you can choose from. Select the account that is associated with your Wrike workspace and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the specific project where you want to delete a column. This is crucial because Wrike is all about effective project management, and you want to ensure that you're making changes in the correct location. So access your project by following the links and pathways designated for it in your workspace. Alright, now that you're in the appropriate project, it's time to identify the column you wish to remove. Look at your table and hone in on the column that's no longer needed. Maybe it's an old data metric, or perhaps a completed phase that doesn't require further tracking. Next to each column header in Wrike, you'll notice three little dots. These dots are your gateway to making changes, so find the column you're targeting and click on those dots. This will open a drop-down menu offering several options. It might be easy to overlook, but pay attention here because you'll find the command you need. Within that menu, you'll find the option labelled Hide Column. It's as simple as that. Clicking on Hide Column will immediately remove the column from your visible workspace. It should streamline your view and help you focus on only the active components of your project. It's important to note that hiding a column in Wrike doesn't delete the data permanently. You can always choose to bring it back if you find it's needed again later, which adds a layer of flexibility to your project management. This feature allows you to keep your workspace clean and efficient without losing valuable data. So there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your Wrike columns. By following these steps, you ensure your workspace remains organized, tailored to your current project needs, and free from clutter. Thanks for joining us today, and happy project managing in Wrike.